Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya akan melanjutkan tugas kemarin, video yang kedua, yaitu tentang pidato bahasa Inggris untuk memenuhi tugas bilingual. Saya Muhammad Zainal Ma'arif, NIM 183231077, Prodi Sejarah Peradaban Islam 6B. Langsung saja. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain, amma ba'du. Pertama-tama marilah all praise and the thanks be to Allah Subhanahu wa ta'ala for bringing us all together in this event today. As the abundance of grace, blessing and the guidance from Him. Prayer and greeting do not forget the Prophet Muhammad and his family, friends and followers. Hopefully we are among the people who will get his help at the end of the day. Dear Muslim brother, when we talk about youngsters, we often find in many articles, and we ourselves even witness the great role of youth participation in the developing, favoring, and supporting the development of nation. They are the hope of nation who will carry out the struggle for the sake of brighter future of the country. Similarly, they are at the same time the hope of Islamic religion will strive for the sake of Islamic teaching in the next. Maintain the Islamic law who will safeguard the Muslim young generation at large from influence of destructive Western style of life, who will be leader for the next. It the wish yelled us, today is young, tomorrow will be a leader. This statement encourages us to pay attention to the young existence in the future. By knowing all the fact, we realize how important role the young have for the future. The youth supposedly symbolize the force never become weak quickly. For the reason, the same president of Indonesia, Soekarno, has once said, "Give me then youth will shake the world." From this statement, we can sum up the Soekarno appreciated the young people more than the old. Why? Because they play significant roles, have great potential and great energy that can be prided. Dear Muslim brothers, therefore our religion enjoins us to be flexible Muslim leader for society who ultimately have to devote themselves for the development of Muslim community at large. Ironically, in this sophisticated era, we witness the conduct of young people are always against the Islamic laws. We pay attention to many young people who are not aware of their education, and will be sadder if we see our Muslim brother in our country behave badly and intentionally avoiding Islamic teaching to follow Western culture. We cannot imagine and describe what is going to happen in the next time if all the young people are careless in this responsibility. We have to be aware that the responsibility of nation developing and religion establishing depend on us. By thus consideration, we should be very cautious with any destructive Western culture that would enter Islamic teaching. My brother, last but not the last, I should like to call you to prepare our generation in order to be able to replace the old in the future. And I hope you and all Muslim brother, wherever they are, to abstain from bad action, and furthermore, we have to develop our skill and potency to reach the bright future. I think it's time for me to finish this speech begging your pardon. Finally, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, mungkin itu video yang kedua dari saya. Sekian dan terima kasih.